What is up, guys? Today we are back on track. I'm feeling fine again. I can eat, I can drink. We just had a little convenience store breakfast. I took my medicine that the doctors gave me, and today we're at Shimokitasawa, or in Shimokitasawa, which is a older part of Tokyo. Very stylish, very trendy part. A lot of vintage stores, a lot of cafes. And our mission is to find some nice pieces of clothing. So yeah, let's enjoy Shimokitasawa.
Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it look. Life of a legend, just a day in the life. Might slide on ya, I ain't staying the night. I ain't pick cards, I'm just playing them right. Photo shoot tomorrow, they gon' pay for the flight. Amazing the height, I'm able to reach from just rapping. Get it all legit, my so trappy. Catch me in the lab, I'm the player with the game plan, and I stick to it. We are really not the same, man. Nothing make these change like the game can't end too deep. I'ma really be a name brand. I levitate, got you looking like a caveman, talking like you winning, doing only what a slave can. I'm getting money, so I'm knowing why they mad at me. Quarter ounce of literary magic in the glad baggy bird.
So we finished our little exploration of Shimokitasawa, and I found a couple of pieces, like one Yohji Yamamoto cap that I was looking for specifically. That is nice. And I bought a little bit of accessories, some bracelets, to be more specific, from a little shop that only makes handmade accessories. Pretty nice, supporting the local business. And now we're back to Shibuya for a couple more stores that I marked for myself. And yeah, let's have a look at Shibuya.
Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that, it wouldn't be like that. We was 13 playing with a ratchet and some ratchet. Side of town with girl rapid, or we had to grow. On the need to know unless some had to know. Posing for the cameras like you try and get an action role. I beneficial, you ain't beneficial to me, boy. Country bunkin' boony boy, praying like a Sunni boy. Say they wanna make a difference, they ain't moving different, no. Passing with a handshake, that's a give and go. Lot of loud from my hood, they ain't living, no. Talking like he Jordan and ain't even Pippin, no. I hear that you saying, but put your chest in it. I'm the best in it, won't answer to nothing less than it. I'm everything like your favorite rapper, but less timid, more organic and less rented. I'm blessed with it. I got the thicker shift minds with 6 lines, telling tall tales. You 6'9", my fine. Catch a flight to the future. I switched times, changed for the dollar. I bought a 40, you 6 dimes. Ghetto who the move to the burb side, sipping curbside, now I'm making words ride. Better living, I see the from a bird's eye. Learn to do my talking with numbers, I know the words lie. Highly favored, you fabricated and fictitious. I'm light bearer and I flick switches for quick riches. My come get stitches, it hit different. He hit my line cause this chick missing, no pick flicking. I'm dictating, you riding it, licking, bicking back, big flicking. No, my kicking. I said these, no, my kicking. Cause sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. Cause sometimes it be like that.
What a day. In terms of shopping, we had quite a bit of success. I found a couple of pieces this time. So if you want to have a good shopping experience in Tokyo, Shimokitasawa has nice shops. And if you are in Harajuku, a couple of shops I would recommend are Bingo, which is part of the what was it called, Book Off branch, and what was it, Kindle is pretty nice, and what was it again, Ragtag. They have like a shit ton of choices for you. I highly recommend. And in terms of food, we ate some soba, and since the portions were like pretty small and cheap, we decided to go for some udon as well. Both delicious. We're full, and now we're back at our Airbnb. Tomorrow we are heading to Kamakura for a relaxing day. Yeah, what a beautiful day in Shibuya, Harajuku, and especially Shimokitasawa. So I see you tomorrow, I guess.
Wanna be just like you.
Just like that, it's evening again. I didn't record any talking video parts today because we had a lot of stuff to do. We were looking for a lot of souvenirs. We were looking for figurines to buy to get for our friends at Akihabara today. We wanted to travel a little bit out of Tokyo to Kamakura, but the weather today was hella windy, rainy. That's why we decided to stay in Tokyo today. We started at Akihabara looking for souvenirs and figurines, and we already had a insight that I want to give you as well when you come to Japan, and that is try not to shop figurines in Akihabara. Which sounds counterintuitive, but I mentioned in a video before that Book Off has really nice low price figurines, but even Book Off in Tokyo, in Akihabara especially, is not that cheap, and the selection was not as good. Like the Book Off in Hiroshima that we've been to was just insane in terms of variety and prices. So we also stepped into a couple of smaller stores, not only the big stores, and still the prices in Akihabara are way too high for some reason. I think, well, let me say it this way. Because of the weak yen, even for us, compared to Germany, for example, the prices are still quite good. But if you have seen what prices are possible at other stores outside of Tokyo, everything seems so expensive for some reason. That's why we decided to get out of Akihabara to Ueno, where we had a hard off or a book off, hobby off. Hobby off is also another branch of book off. And there we had a nice selection, and we got a couple of figurines for really good prices. And I will make a whole shopping haul, everything I bought, from clothes, figurines, everything that I bought in Tokyo. I will make a separate video. And then we got hungry. We got ourselves some Wagyu beef skewers that we bought from a little shop on the street. And let me tell you, I'm disappointed. I think that was one of the worst beefs I had like in my life in general. I don't know why it is. Maybe those were like the cheapest cuts they could find in the supermarket, or maybe it was like the way they prepared the beef. I don't know. It was chewy. It had a weird flavor to it. It was hard finishing it. So yeah, in between those sessions, we strolled around. We were looking for some arcades that we could play, because finding good games to play can be hard, because everyone here plays that stupid Gundam game. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is here. And then we went to Sushi Zanmai. Sushi Zanmai is a very, very popular sushi chain in Tokyo, or in Japan. I think in Japan in general. And yeah, it was very good. It was like a little bit pricier, but not as expensive as some like high-end sushi places you could order over a tablet. It was very convenient. It was very good. It tastes amazing. It was very nice. Very, very, very nice. Then we strolled around Akihabara a bit, and we found like this building. Amiyami is in there, a couple of other stores in there, where you still had a lot of figurines, second-hand figurines, where people present like in like those little glass boxes their whole collection that they offer basically, and the prices were crazy. Like there were some really big prizes there, but you also had very, very rare figurines from Dragon Ball, for example, or like other shows. And also, to top it off, before we topped it off, after that we went playing real arcades, like real good games. I found a machine that had Virtua Fighter, Dead or Alive, Guilty Gear even, and even my girl played some sort of like shooting game, which it was also a rhythm game sort of. Yeah, and I played a couple of rounds Guilty Gear. And after that, my girlfriend wanted to go to a Maid Cafe, so we did. It's called Maid Dreamin', which is a chain in Japan. So they have a couple of locations, and it was actually not as cringe as I thought it would be. And I actually had a lot of fun, like doing the whole cute things that you have to do if you get your food and all this stuff. It's hilarious. It's fun. Go there. They're very friendly. And my girlfriend did the research, and apparently Maid Dreamin' is sort of a beginner Maid Cafe. So if you're completely new to this thing, go to Maid Dreamin', have some fun. It's not as cringe as you might think. And yeah, then we had our last thing in Don Quixote again to buy a couple of small souvenirs. And now we are packing our bags, because tomorrow evening we're heading to the airport. And yeah, so tomorrow is our last day in Tokyo. Let's see what we will do there. And yeah, things seem to end right now, but more on that tomorrow. See you tomorrow.